Why are complete beginners with zero coding skills building AI businesses that generate thousands in monthly recurring revenue, while experienced developers struggle to make their first dollar online? I discovered something that completely changed how I think about starting an online business. There's this company called AI Carousels that's pulling in serious money every single month through nothing but a simple subscription model. And here's the crazy part, I'm gonna copy their exact business model, step by step, right in front of you. But here's what makes us different from every other build a business video you've watched. I have absolutely zero coding knowledge. I can't build websites, I don't understand technical stuff. Yet, in the next 15 minutes, we're gonna build a complete AI-powered business using just one AI tool that does all the heavy lifting for us. We're not just talking about theory here. By the end of this video, we'll have a functioning website with AI features that actually work, and we'll connect to Stripe so we can start receiving payments immediately. No months of learning to code, no expensive developers, no technical headaches. The company we're copying is making this revenue purely through subscriptions, and we're gonna replicate their model using AI to handle everything we don't know how to do ourselves. So if you've ever wanted to build a real business but felt overwhelmed by all the technical stuff, this is exactly what you need to see. Let's dive in. The AI tool that we're going to use is Replit. With my code JAKEAI, you will get a 10% discount and full access to the Replit agent. I added a link in the description down below. Important disclaimer, building apps and making money online isn't easy, despite what other YouTubers are saying. When I show you how to build an app, I'm demonstrating the technical process and potential, not guaranteeing your results. These AI tools are legit and the techniques work, but success depends on your execution, timing, and honestly, some luck. Most apps don't make money immediately, and many don't make money at all. I'm not promising you'll get rich or quit your job. This isn't financial advice or a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm just showing you what's possible with these tools. What you do with that knowledge is entirely up to you. Alright, expectations set, let's continue to building the app. Right from the homepage, we're gonna guide Replit with the core idea behind the app. I wanted to help users create engaging carousels for social media, using AI to do most of the heavy lifting. The layout should look clean and professional, with a simple UI that makes it easy for users to drop in a topic, paste content, or upload files like videos or PDFs. Here, we'll tell the AI exactly what we need. Build a modern app that helps users create engaging carousels for social media using AI. The UI should be clean, professional, and user-friendly. On the homepage, allow users to input a topic, paste content, or upload files like videos or PDFs. The app should generate AI-powered content, format it into slides, and offer templates optimized for different platforms. Clicking Start Chat kicks things off. Replit now generates the initial version of the app based on that prompt and shows a visual preview. This acts as our design reference for what's coming next. Once it looks aligned with the goal, go ahead and hit Approve, Plan, and Start. The initial build lays down a clean homepage with a professional and intuitive interface. Users can input a topic, paste their content, or upload files, including videos and PDFs. These structures are there, and content processing begins right away, preparing for AI-powered slide generation. Platform-specific templates are still being worked on, but the base for generating social media carousels is already solid. Replit now prompts for an OpenAI API key. Let's just click the link provided, sign into your OpenAI account, and head to the API keys section. From there, you can create a new key, copy it, jump back to Replit, paste it into the input, and click Continue to move forward. Now that the basic structure is ready, let's talk about content, because that's the part that usually takes the most time, especially when you're trying to keep things fresh across platforms. This is where the AI steps in to make things easier. Whether you've got a rough topic, a full blog post, or even just a file sitting on your desktop, this feature of the app handles all of it and turns it into ready-to-go carousels. But before testing content creation, let's try to sign up for a new account. Click Get started. Then select sign up here. Fill in your name, email, and password, and then hit create account. That takes us straight to the user dashboard where all the tools for carousel creation are now available. Now it's time to guide Replit on the next step. We want the AI to generate actual content for the carousels, whether it's from a topic, pasted content, or uploaded files. To do that, let's drop this prompt into Replit. Add a feature where AI writes captivating carousel content from topics or existing content. It should automatically generate engaging post ideas and be able to transform topics, text, URLs, videos, or PDFs into visual content ready for carousels. Back on the app, let's try out that functionality by creating Instagram carousel content. We're gonna start by clicking Create Carousel. We'll enter a topic here, then hit Generate Carousel. Once that's in, the AI content generation feature immediately jumps in and starts crafting a full carousel specifically tailored for Instagram. To test how it handles longer content, let's paste in a blog post next. Click Create Slides and watch how the app breaks down the structure, turning it into slide-friendly text that flows clearly. Lastly, I'm gonna try uploading a PDF file and hitting the process file. The app reads the content instantly and restructures it into a carousel layout. It extracts the key points, generates post ideas, and formats everything into visual slides, all automatically. In just a few clicks, it's ready to push content out across social media. However, different platforms all have their own quirks. What works for Instagram stories won't always look good on LinkedIn or TikTok. So now that the core content flow is working, let's make sure it actually fits wherever it's gonna be posted. We'll guide Replit with this prompt. When a user selects a target platform such as LinkedIn, Instagram feeds, Instagram stories, or TikTok, it should optimize each output based on the content specs of each platform. Now users can simply choose their platform, say Instagram feeds or LinkedIn, and the app will tailor the entire carousel, slide size, text spacing, even how much content fits per card. Everything adjusts to match that platform's exact specs. Let's test this by selecting TikTok. The carousel instantly shifts into a vertical layout. Then I'll add this second prompt. The preview should have a phone screen-like design to see the exact size preview. And just like that, a live preview now appears inside a phone frame, so users can see how it'll look on mobile before exporting anything. To expand things further, I've added this final prompt. The app should also support carousel ads for Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and other platforms, and it must optimize each output based on the content specs of each platform. With this, carousel ads are now fully supported. So if I switch to Facebook ads, it auto-generates a layout built for ad performance, making sure each card meets design and size guidelines. Next, let's download the export. Whether it's for stories, feeds, ads, or TikToks, each output sticks to the right dimensions and format, ready to post or schedule instantly. No extra editing required. Alright, great design is what makes people stop scrolling, so even with solid content, visuals still matter. But not everyone's a designer, and that's the point here. The next part is all about giving users an easy way to make their carousels look sharp, professional, and on-brand, without needing fancy tools or experience. We'll drop this prompt in so Replit knows what to create. Provide access to hundreds of customizable viral templates. Include a user-friendly design editor built for non-designers. Enable auto-resizing of elements for proper alignment and font readability. Offer hand-picked color palettes and font pairings, and a brand customization to maintain a consistent visual identity. Allow users to apply their brand assets like logos, fonts, and brand colors. Now let's generate a new carousel. The design editor loads up, but the layout feels a bit off. It looks unpolished and isn't fully responsive. To fix that, we'll go back into Replit and enter this. The design editor layout is not good. Please fix it and make sure it is fully responsive on all device screens. And it should be clean, professional, and user-friendly. With that adjusted, the editor now reflects a much cleaner structure. Users can browse through a wide range of viral-ready carousel templates, each one designed to be eye-catching, high-performing, and fully customizable. Once a template is selected, clicking Generate with Template opens it directly in the design editor. The editor itself is built with simplicity in mind. It's intuitive, uncluttered, and works great even for users with no background in design. Everything is customizable: colors, fonts, layout, brand assets, and visual styling. Let's walk through a quick example. Under color, we'll go with the luxury gold palette to give the carousel a premium tone. Under fonts, let's choose elegant serif for a more refined, classic look. In the layout tab, tweak the typography and positioning to better suit the content. Then, under brand, upload a logo to maintain consistency with visual identity. Finally, add some light effects to enhance the overall style. To save time later, users can also store these design settings by clicking Save Preset. That way, the same styles can be applied instantly in future projects. Once everything looks right, click Download All Content to export the final carousel, fully customized and ready to post or share. Coming up with fresh ideas consistently can be one of the hardest parts of content creation, especially when you're juggling multiple platforms or trying to stay on brand. I want this content idea generator in the Pro plan to make it way easier for users to get started with suggestions tailored to your niche, audience, and style. Let's tell Replit to enable this feature. Add a content idea generator as a pro feature that suggests carousel topics based on the user's niche, industry, or previous posts. With that in place, the content idea generator now shows up inside the dashboard, available to anyone on the Pro plan. It's built to give tailored suggestions based on user preferences and past content. Let's try it out. I'll start by selecting Instagram feed as a platform, set the industry to marketing, and choose digital for the niche. For the content category, I'll pick evergreen content, then set the difficulty level to beginner. Lastly, we'll generate 5 ideas. After we select everything, just click Generate 5 ideas, and the app instantly returns a list of custom content prompts, ready to plug into a carousel or build out further. Now, if we're building a tool people actually find useful, it's only a matter of time before we start thinking about monetization, especially once premium features start piling up. So now's the moment to make that switch, adding a smooth payment system that unlocks access to Pro Tools. Let's tell Replit. Integrate Stripe to handle payments for Pro plans. Show a pricing page with monthly options, and lock premium features behind the Pro subscription. Unlock access like the Content Ideas feature after a successful Stripe payment. Now that the prompt's in, Replit will add Stripe to our app. But before anything works, we need to connect our actual API keys. Head over to the Stripe dashboard and click on the Developers tab. From there, open the API Keys section. Copy both the public key and the secret key, and then paste them into Replit's environment variables. Once that's done, click Continue to move forward. Now that the keys are in place, the app is officially connected to Stripe. Let's test it out. Click on the Upgrade to Pro button. A pricing page appears with the monthly option we added earlier. Click Subscribe, but right now we hit an error. I'll take a quick screenshot of this and send it back to Replit so the AI can troubleshoot. Let's try again, this time starting fresh. I'll sign into the app and click Upgrade to Pro once more. Now it redirects us straight to the Stripe checkout page. After filling in payment details and hitting Subscribe to Pro, everything processed smoothly. Right after payment, Pro features like the Content Idea Generator and Premium Templates are unlocked automatically. You'll also notice a new Pro badge right on the dashboard, confirmation that the upgrade worked exactly as expected. And that's it. We just took a basic content planning app and turned it into a powerful, monetized platform with personalized AI, premium features, and real-time payments, all without writing a single line of code. From building in smart tools like brand voice and content optimization, to unlocking monetization with Stripe and gating features behind a Pro plan. It's all handled by AI prompts and a few guided clicks. If this walkthrough helped or gave you ideas for your own project, make sure to subscribe to more builds like this. And if you want to try it yourself, all the tools we used are linked below. See you in the next one.